Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. Today's expression is comme ça. I call it the best expression ever because we use it in speech several times a day, and I'm not exaggerating, and I'll show you why it's so versatile. Let's have a look. The first meaning of comme ça is that way or so that. For instance, prends ton parapluie, comme ça tu te mouilleras pas. Prends ton parapluie, comme ça tu te mouilleras pas. Take your brolly, that way you won't get wet. You could have said so that you don't get wet. The second example, laisse tes clés ici, comme ça tu les chercheras pas demain matin. Laisse tes clés ici, comme ça tu les chercheras pas demain matin. Leave your keys here so that you don't look for them tomorrow morning. You see how so that and that way are interchangeable. The next meaning is like that. For instance, you will hear people say a lot, la vie est injuste et c'est comme ça. La vie est injuste et c'est comme ça. Life is unfair and that's the way it is. And you could translate it literally as it's like that. Another example. You can say to a child, mais non, ne tiens pas le bébé comme ça. No, don't hold the baby like that. Finally, the last meaning of comme ça is probably the most important. It's to say that big, and usually you hold your arms out to show the size of the object you're talking about. It's very French. So for instance, say a child runs to their parents and say, il y a un cadeau grand comme ça au pied du sapin. C'est pour qui? Il y a un cadeau grand comme ça au pied du sapin. C'est pour qui? So when they say grand comme ça, they would hold their arms out to show the size of the thing they're talking about. There's a massive present, or a present that big with the gesture, at the foot of the Christmas tree. Who is it for? And that's it for now. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed it and subscribe if you're not already a member, and I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt.